it's just nerves, it's just deep, making me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say, I try to hide it in my face and it don't work. You see through that I just wanna deal with you in your eyes.